So in order to reset your Google Chrome theme back to default, it's very easy. The first thing you need to do is click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and want to go ahead and click on settings. Once you're here, under the appearance tab here, it will say themes and the name of your theme. Then you just want to go ahead and click on reset to default, and as you see, it's fully reset itself. Now if you want to go ahead and install another theme, what you need to do is click on theme section here, and it'll take you right to the Google Chrome store where you can go ahead and pick one you like. If you are interested in the one I just had on, all you need to do is just type in grey in the search bar, scroll down slightly under themes, and this one was called Pro Grey. Click add to Chrome and it will add it straight away within seconds. So if you do want to watch more Chrome tips and tricks, I do have a link below to a playlist where you can go watch them there. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.